Hi everyone, my name is Irfan Sultan and you are watching my YouTube channel Health Vlogs. Let's start. This is for informational purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. Blood flow is a vital process that ensures the delivery of oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and other essential substances to all parts of the body. It also removes waste products like carbon dioxide and metabolic byproducts. The circulatory system, responsible for blood flow, consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood itself. The heart acts as a powerful pump, propelling blood throughout the body. It has 4 chambers, the right atrium and ventricle, and the left atrium and ventricle. Blood vessels form a vast network that transports blood. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body's tissues. They have thick, muscular walls to withstand the high pressure of blood pumped from the heart. Veins carry oxygen-depleted blood back to the heart. They have thinner walls than arteries and often contain valves to prevent blood from flowing backward. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels, connecting arteries to veins. They have thin walls that allow for the exchange of nutrients, oxygen, and waste products between blood and tissues. Blood is a complex fluid composed of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is the liquid component of blood, primarily water, containing dissolved proteins, electrolytes, and nutrients. Red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues and carbon dioxide back to the lungs. White blood cells are part of the immune system, defending the body against infections. Platelets play a crucial role in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding. The circulatory system operates through 2 main loops, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. In pulmonary circulation, blood is pumped from the right ventricle to the lungs, where it picks up oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. The oxygenated blood then returns to the left atrium. In systemic circulation, oxygenated blood is pumped from the left ventricle to the rest of the body's tissues, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Deoxygenated blood returns to the right atrium. The regulation of blood flow involves various factors, including cardiac output, vascular resistance, and blood volume. Disruptions in blood flow can lead to various health problems, such as heart disease, stroke, and peripheral artery disease. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and avoiding smoking, is crucial for promoting optimal blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.